Come on in, y'all. We are back with something new, something hot, a real sexy first date with the Kisslove hair. They said we're going to give it to you, baby, and we're going to give it to you 360. I'm going to see you on the other side. Get ready with me to film for Married at First Sight with Joe. So I am back, you guys, and I am here with a unit from Kisslove Hair, okay? And when I tell you we are branded down to the socks today, honey, get into it. Get into it. We are branded. Let me show you the cap. Okay, we are here, and we are doing a drawstring wig. And by drawstring wig, what I mean is that it's a 360. Let me put her up off the bald-headed Manny. It's a 360 cap unit. Okay, so this unit is a 360 Kisslove pre-everything drawstring unit, okay? Let's get into the cap construction. She has this 360 lace that goes around the cap, okay? As well as in the back with the drawstring so that you can do a top knot style as well. She has one comb in the back, an adjustable band. She has two combs on the side. She's already looking like she's ready and ready to go. This is 24 inches, already kind of styled up a bit. Like, I even love how the curls look, okay? The texture, it's very thick. She's 250% density, okay? So we're going to get into her and we're going to just style her up. I'm not going to say much while I'm styling her. I just want to see what she's looking like and take my time with her. Because this unit, just fresh out, I'm feeling her. So we're going to do a couple looks and I'm going to see you on a, well, I'm going to throw her on my head first. We're going to see what she's looking like. I'm going to come back with a B face and we're going to style her up. All right, my loves, let's dig on into our goodies. We got this scrunchie, some ties for the 360 unit, lashes, as well as a lace band and wig caps as you saw in the beginning. So I'm just going on through and I'm going to lay this unit on down. Now, as I was first putting this on, this was very tough for me to get on. And I do like to believe that my hair is just thick right now, but I did feel like it took me a minute. Now I'm going on through and darkening up this lace using my Danessa Myricks yummy skin balm, okay, that I absolutely love. It really is good for underneath the wig, even though it is an expensive product, but I'm gonna leave it in my Amazon shop anyway. So I'm going on through, and for this unit, she does not need to be glued down. I am choosing to glue her down because my hair is not braided. So I want to make sure I say that full out. I'm using my Janet Isha spray to go through section by section and lay this Mary Tappan wig down. She doesn't need a lot. The hairline is already pre-plucked, bleached, and ready to go. So that's already done, right? This is a Swiss transparent lace. Very invisible and secure. As you can see, it already looks like it's starting to come up out my scalp, okay? And I'm just going on through and making sure that she is tied, like laid down all the way, because I really want us to show how versatile this unit is. Now, I am with you all with a 250% body wave unit, okay? She is, again, a free pre-cut unit that comes with the wig, okay? So it already comes pre-cut. She's 24 inches. You guys, she's currently less than $300. You choose to get the body wave 250%. But if you choose a 24-inch unit at 150% density, you can get it for as low as $189, so just under $200, okay? So I'm going through and I'm going to give you all a few looks. Now, this is effortless. Right out the pack. I need to also make sure you guys understand this unit was pre-curled. So the curls were ready and ready to go. And all I did was say, you know what? Instead of me manipulating her too much, I'm just going to go with what she is looking like. And baby, is she not giving? Like, look at how easy it is to throw this unit up and go. This is very much a lazy girl beginner friendly wig. So what I do love about this unit is that it does have that snug fit dome cap. To me, To me, it's snug, okay? Now, again, my hair is not braided. I'm going to say that 100 times because it's super thick underneath here. But it having that snug fit for anybody else who already has their hair beautifully braided underneath, you're going to love that because that means less work for you in the long haul. That means not gluing this down. But I wanted to make sure, I wanted to really see what mama was giving, okay? Now, this does have the removable combs in the cap, as well as the upgraded Invisi strap, which is like a helper to really tighten up that unit. So it can go from a 23-inch dome all the way to a 21-inch. Now, I don't know who baby head is that small, okay? But they saying that, listen, Pud, you can make sure she is stuck up on that head. Now, I'm using my T3 barrel curlers to go on through and really just add a few curlers. Now, like I said before, this unit is pre-curled, okay? Pre-bleached. And she has that pre-wavy cut lace, all right? So everything is really done for you. But I just want to kind of define the curl a little bit. Just give it a little love, sex, and magic because y'all know I like big, glamorous Hollywood curls. I have notes. But overall, this unit gets an 8 out of 10. And I'm going to tell you why. So, I love the lace. I love the lace. I think the lace is phenomenal. This cap is small. It's small. It's small. My hair is thick. Okay, so I have to like really say that I have thick hair. So if I don't braid my hair down, sometimes it expands under the cap. I had to actually slick my hair back, braid it, pin it up, okay? And I don't have a lot of hair. It's just thick. Pin it up, okay? So, and put like a few bobby pins so this would stay properly on my head. And I still feel like, if I'm being honest, the cap is not extending as far down in the back as I would like. Like I have to pull it down, okay? You see what I mean? Otherwise, if it shifts, it'll just, skirt its way on up. That could be a me issue. That could be a me issue. But I have a relatively small head, so I think there's room for more cap. Okay? You picking up what I'm putting on? I love the texture of this hair. This is 250% density, and she's thick. I love that for you, me, her, everybody else. I love the versatility of a 360 wig. I can't tell y'all no lies. I just do. I don't even really like to lay my lace anymore, for real, for real. And I mean that by saying I don't like to use glue. But I love it when it's a 360 unit because, honey, when I tell you I'm going to put on a wig band at night and go to sleep and wake up and look this mammy damn good in the mother jumping morning. When I tell you I'm going to do that. Now, this can be worn glueless. The reason why I didn't wear it glueless is because it was tight. Now, it could also, if my hair was braided, I would have worn it glueless. Okay? Because that means it would have laid flatter and I wouldn't have had no issues. I would have been able to blend it out. But I'm actually glad I glued it down. I used my Isha Melt Spray by Janet to get that all done. I'll leave that on my Amazon shop as well as my T3 barrel curlers. I just went in, this was the most effortless look. I wanted to give you straight out the pack. These are pre-curled, this is a pre-curl hair. Excuse me, this is a pre-curl wig. All I did was go in and just add a little love, sex, and magic. Not major. She was already giving volume and sex and love and all the things. I just wanted to give her a little bit of more inspiration. Y'all know I love an effortless unit. I love a flip over. I love not having a part. The girlies like parts. I don't need one. But the beautiful thing about this, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. The beautiful thing about this unit is that the parting's stunning. That's another good thing about this unit. Like it can be very, very versatile. And I appreciate that. You saw how I was able to give her a top half up, half down moment, as well as a top knot. She's meant to give you all the looks. Now, this unit is relatively expensive, but guess what? She's giving you all the looks, okay? Where you gonna go and get all that? Where you gonna go? And the hair is nice. Like, it's thick, it's nice, it's soft to the touch, it's silky. The luster is nice and shiny. She didn't shed much, she didn't tangle much. I think she looked good. And again, no, I did not go in and curl her and style her all the way down. And that's because they didn't pay my full rate. So I just gave her a little shink to dink. I'm going to cut that up. I just love a unit that is this effortless and sexy. Got a lot going on. Hold on. I'm just into this, y'all. She feels like me. She feels like this is a quintessential Intisar Eleanor look. Okay? And Kisslove Hair provided it to us. Like, I really am impressed with this. I was impressed with all the goodies that you got came in with the package. I'm impressed with the packaging. I love the thickness of this unit. Again, the cap is a little small, but I don't have any other critiques. She did it. I did it. I came in and gave y'all effortless 3 looks. Boom, 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 boom. Straight up out the pack, because I'm not about to be stressing myself out about a wig, okay? I gave you a little hump and a bump using our T3 barrel curler. We use a little bit of Garnier Fructis holding spray with the volume, okay? Because, you know, I like a little, I like my hair to give, that's what I like to give. That's what I like to give. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. I just wanted to come on through and give you guys a brief look. Mother is given to me. I don't know what you guys think, but I think she's in love. I'm feeling this. And she's an 8, and I love a strong 8. 8 down. Okay? 8, 9, 10. Okay? So I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.